rainy day. There's nothing on TV, no one in the house except you and me. So turn on some saxophone and turn the lights down low. We've got some Tupperware from about a week ago. Put on your old sarong, I'll wear my new red shoes. We will spend this rainy Saturday fighting off the blues. Eating down the fridge, everything tastes good. If the quiche don't get it, I'm sure that stir-fry would. That was some lasagna, put me in the mood. Nothing so exotic as last week's food. You start in the middle, I'll start at the back. We'll eat and eat till our lips meet and start a heart attack. I got dibs on the baby back ribs while you be picking the chicken. If it's green, be certain you glean that it's guacamole you're licking. Eating down the fridge, everything tastes good. If the flan don't get it, that seafood gumbo should. That was some gazpacho, put me in the mood. Nothing so narcotic as last week's food. This isn't self-indulgence, just a good idea. With botulism, scurvy and hives and all that stuff you fear. It's like natural selection, it's like weeding out the meat. Like crop rotation, so we can cook again next week. Eating down the fridge, everything tastes good. If the stew don't get it, that 3-bean salad should. Lord, what a jambalaya, put me in the mood. Nothing so erotic as last week's food.